Oh na 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 na, oh na na oh na na. La calle me llama, Miami me llama. Oh na na na, oh na na oh na na. Mi gente me llama, Miami me llama. Rio 5, dime papi que la que hay. De Cuba, que volar, no te digo goodbye. You know me. Hacer se siente caliente. En Miami se respira el ambiente. Se siente caliente. La alegría.
Hey guys, we are here in beautiful Miami in the Wynwood Walls, the famous Miami District area. Recently you saw where Barricade installed the 4.5 Halo SE and the 6-inch Halo SEs. Now I'm excited to say and eager to announce that I myself have finally gotten my own Halo SE 6-inch. I have recently had up here my 4.5-inch spotlights, replaced them, took those bad boys down here, and set up my nice Halo SE series up here. Both of these will transform your rig's looks and light up your trails. But there are two key differences you need to know. First up, the DRL Halo rings. Both of the 4.5 and 6 come with that signature design look. Clean, modern, and aggressive. You've got the options of the red and the white DRL modes. So you can match your build style and make your rig stand out day or night. Now let's talk about that beam type. The 4.5 gives you the spot, flood, and even a spot flood combo. The 6-inch comes more with more power combo options, giving you the serious throw and coverage you need to light up your whole scene. Okay, we're gonna talk a little bit about the sizing and the fit. Size is where they split. The 4.5-inch pods are compact, perfect if you want performance in a smaller housing that's easier to mount in tight spots. The 6-inch though, the 6-inch pods are larger and meaner. They demand more space and they deliver maximum visibility and presence. Now we're going to talk a little bit about the performance and the difference between the two, the 4.5 and the 6-inch pod lights. The difference is simple. The 4.5 for balance and the 6 for brute force. So you can go with your compact 4.5 or the powerhouse 6. You're getting Novsight Halo style, tough build, and trail ready performance. The question is, do you want sleek and versatile or bold and unstoppable performance? Daylight shows style, but the nighttime reveals the power. Watch as the Halo SE transform the streets, blending perfectly with the city lights. You've seen the bright before, now come see brilliance. Don't just take my word for it. Experience the Halo SE at night. Let the city become your stage.
Miami Beach tonight with my friends so tight, dancing till the light.
Electro beats in air, rhythms everywhere, feeling light as air. No worries, no care.
Oh, Miami nights, electro vibes so right. Party till daylight, feel the beat take flight.
We laugh and we cheer with everyone here. Lose ourselves, no fear. Memories we hold dear. Electric on the street, bass drops, we feel the heat. Together we repeat, dancing to the beat. Waves crash in the bay, music leads the way. We will seize the day, in Miami we'll stay.
Oh, Miami nights, electro vibes so right. Party till daylight, feel the beat take flight.
We laugh and we cheer with everyone here. Lose ourselves, no fear. Memories we hold dear. With everyone here, do the beat till dare, feel the beat. We laugh and we cheer with everyone here, with everyone here. Oh, Miami nights, let's fight so right. Party till daylight, feel the beat. everyone here, with everyone here.
We laugh and we